Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to contact seller on Fiverr. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Fiverr app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on the screen, you're gonna see options like home, messages, search, orders and your profile. Stay on home, then browse for the services. Once you find the service that you like, go ahead and tap on the service. Now you're gonna see the seller's name there. Go ahead and tap on their name, or if you go ahead and look at bottom right corner of your screen, you're gonna see chat option. Tap on it, then type a message and send it. And guys, that's it. That's how you contact the seller on Fiverr. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.